Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my name's Mr. McKain, and this is the Riff video for Day Tripper by the Beatles. So this one has a really cool riff that's repeated in like a 12-bar blues structure almost. I'm going to teach you the first part of it just now, and then I'm going to teach you the second part of it during the playthrough kind of tutorial video for Day Tripper. So the main part of it sounds like this. So, standard tuning guitar. As you can hear, I have a little bit of distortion kicked on. I'm going to try it without the distortion so you can hear the difference. If you want to use distortion and you can, feel free. If not, don't worry about it. The riff sounds, to me, just as good without. I'm going to use it for a little bit of character. So, this entire riff happens on the first 3 strings. And you're using your... It's based on your E major chord, or your kind of E fifth. So the first note is just your open on your lowest string, on your 6th string. And then you're using position 2 the whole time. So your first finger is fret 2, second finger fret 3, third finger fret 4, etc. So we're going to start with an open, and then we're going to go 3rd fret, 4th fret on the low E string. You can hammer on if you want, or you can pick, pardon me. I tend to hammer on. Right, so our first 3 notes are. And then we have a 2nd fret on our 5th string, and a 2nd fret on a 4th string as well. So 2, 2, and then open D string. That's your first bar. And then the second bar goes 2, 4, 2, 0, 2. You're starting on your 2nd fret on the 5th string, 4th fret on the 4th string, 2nd fret again, and then open D, 2nd fret on D string. So the first part, this riff can be broken down into 2 bars. The first bar, or first part of that riff, is, and then the second part is, whole riff sounds like this. I recommend breaking this down into 2 halves and also doing it slowly. So starting, picking every note. And then working up to hammer-ons. And then faster. As with anything, start slow, make sure you're hitting the right notes every time, and then build up the speed. Thank you very much. It's been Mr. McKain. This has been the Day Tripper Riff video.